Hey friends, so this is just a quick little tutorial on how your playlist is going to work. So this is a checklist and it has due dates for you. So as you see right here, it says date you will complete this step. So typing in the fairy tale you will adapt is due on April 23rd. For April 24th, your assignment is to draft out your fairy tale. So, as we always do when we draft, we can act it out first or play a movie in our mind, and then we would write it out. So, all three of these steps, it's just basically the beginning, middle, and end of your story that you are acting out and then drafting. So you would check off in the box once you've completed this step. So act out your first scene, then type it out, what each character says and does. Check the box when you've acted and wrote out the scene. Act out the second scene. Once you act out one scene, write out each word and check it off. So by the end of April 24th, you should have these three checked off. As you keep going, this moves, so you can just scroll through it. So session 8, which will be on April 27th, is when you're going to start revising. So you're going to have 2 steps in your revising process. You're going to reread your writing. Do you have the parts of your story that makes your reader shiver? And you'll have a lesson on this. Once you complete that, you check it off. You're going to revise your ending, check it off. Then on the 28th, you'll be looking at narration. Then you will be self-assessing your draft, thinking about what you want to work on, and then making those revisions and highlighting them. You are going to revise, focusing on dialogue and action. You're going to do some final editing, and then you should be ready to publish. And when you're ready to publish, you would check off that. So as you can see, we are starting on April 23rd, and you should be done with your piece by May 6th. And that's it, friends. So this is it's going to be your copy, and you're going to go through it and you're going to check it off each time. So there's really genuinely no excuse for not being on task and knowing what you have to do. I highly, highly, highly recommend you do not leave this all to do the last minute, because a good piece, it's evident when you take your time and do each step carefully. So looking forward to seeing how you use this checklist. And just remember, if you're ever confused, you could watch this video to explain how to use it when you're ready to do it. Okay, bye. Bye, guys.